Hello everyone, it's Sunday afternoon here. Not too bad of a day out. It's a little bit cold, but definitely warmer than it has been. So what was I up to today? Well, I was out doing some scrounging, let's say. So I ran across this guy. He'd sold his house and he was downsizing a bunch of stuff. And he was a professional welder. So I ended up buying a welder off of him. It's in my shed, which I really didn't need, but unfortunately the price was very good. So now I got to try and sell my other welder to get back to even. So I got those extension cords from him, this chain hoist, some slings, a bunch of harnesses. Try and sell that stuff on Facebook Marketplace. But this is the big haul. So this is a bunch of old welding cables he had. And he wanted to get rid of them. So we decided on $100 for that pile. And I'm not sure how heavy it is, but my guess is it's pushing 200 pounds. It doesn't look like there'd be 200 pounds in that pile, but it's very dense cable. So I gave him $100 for the whole works. Now I'm going to strip it down. Should get number 2 for it, which would be, if I take it in locally, $3.50 a pound. So I think I'm going to do okay on this for a few hours labor anyways. So stay tuned. I'm going to take it all back to the workshop there and start processing it. Okay, so back in the workshop. I dragged a piece of the welding cable back with me. I just cut off a random length of it just to see how heavy it was going to be. Fortunately, I don't have a big enough scale here to put the whole works on. That might be something for this coming year. I'll have to get one of those big self-standing scales. Anyways, I digress. So anyways, I chopped off this chunk of the welding cable and I weighed it. So this bit here is 20 pounds. So judging by what's left, I won't have 200 pounds, but I think I might have about 140 pounds. So even that'll be, when it's all skinned up and everything, might be about $400 worth of wire. So we'll see how this goes. I'm going to drag it all back here and then I'll start stripping it up and we'll find out where we're at. Okay, so I'm back at this welding cable. Been slacking off most of the week. Haven't felt like doing anything in the evenings. It's been cold and gloomy out, so really haven't been too inspired to do much. Anyhow, it's Saturday morning, so I figured get back out here and start on this welding cable again. So I have got some done. That's about 20 pounds worth there so far. So I'm going to keep at it. It's pretty easy to strip. There's 2 sizes. This is the bigger size here. So all I do, got my handy dandy cutter. Handy dandy razor knife. And insulation peels off pretty good. Voila! Well, there's another at least a pound doing that. So I'm just going to keep going like that. Wouldn't mind taking this in Monday if I can get it done. Well, get it done easily, just a matter of sticking with it. So anyways, going to keep doing this and we'll see how much I end up with here shortly. Okay, well I got her all done. Got 3 buckets of copper. Wasn't too bad once you got to it. Some of it was quite dirty inside though. The cable had got really hot at some point. So it created this real fine dust when you were stripping it, so still a little bit congested from that. I'm sensitive to fine dust. So I had to end up putting a mask on to do some of it. But anyways, got her all done. It's about 142 pounds. So that should be close to 500 bucks when I take it in. I'm going to try and take it in Monday. Got to kind of drive by the scrapyard on Monday, so. Like I said though, fortunately they're only paying $3.50 a pound. If I took it to the coast I could get another 70 cents, say. But would need to be 100 bucks more, so hardly worth driving down there for that. And the roads are terrible anyways, so. So anyways, I'll take my $3.50 a pound. Easy come, easy go. So that's it. On to the next. Please like and or subscribe, and I will see you all again. Bye now.